this channel. Super fine. Super fine.
Oh, look at my hair.
This lighting situation is not good. We're gonna cut my hair today. Great.
Will you come to the door?
For what?
To watch me.
Alright, titty. I'm just kidding. I'm a titty too. Y'all, this Burt's Bees, Chandler bought a 4-pack yesterday. Ew, what is all on it?
Ain't no telling. Probably dirt from the car.
Anyway, this is the coconut and pear. Ooh, and it's really good. He got that 4-pack.
You got original strawberry, coconut, and pear, and vanilla bean.
Hello. Put your hair behind. Oh, there we go.
Put your hand behind me.
But yeah, it's good. I hate this camera. Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna go get a water and we'll cut my hair. Okay, everybody, we're going to cut my hair. So this is what my hair look like. So my hair is pretty long. I'm very nervous. Very nervous. Also, Pure Aqua Italian mineral water is so refreshing. It's just carbonated water. Oh my lord. Maybe if I turn y'all, can y'all see a little bit better? Okay. Okay, I lowered you just a bit so that y'all can see what I'm doing. Grab my trash can. I'm just gonna go for it. So, how have y'all been? Great, great. Okay, I'm gonna take these pieces on the top of my hand and clip them up. I'm very nervous. So I just took a shower and washed my hair, and I put the It's a 10, but it's like the generic Sally It's a 10, the light one, in my hair. Y'all, it's literally 10:30 at night right now. I'm gonna split these sections into 2 as well, and we're just gonna cut. That's how much we cut. Can y'all see that? There we go. And then I'm gonna half this section and go ahead and brush this out. And do my hair. Okay. Right there. Now I'm going to take half a section back here and pull it around here. I know this is probably, y'all are probably cringing right now, but this is just how I'm going to do it, okay? Okay. Me messing my hair up for 20 minutes straight. Also, do y'all see that? I know y'all see that. My hair is like the color is like growing out and it's making me look bald. Bald. So, my husband loves me anyway, so that's what truly matters. I don't think I understood how much I really cut off. Also, I want to try to do bangs, but this is what my hair is looking like right now. This side is always shorter than this side, so I'm going to have to clean it up when I blow dry it, but I'm going to go blow dry it really quick. And I'm going to put some of this Aveda volumizing tonic, but it's like the generic Sally brand, in my hair real quick. And I'll be right back. Great hairstyle, huh? Alright. Now that I look like I've been electrocuted, by the way, when I left, I put some heat protectant in my hair. It's like a cream. It's the L'Oreal, is it? Elvive brand. It's like a cream and it's got a heat protectant in it. Oh my gosh, that looks so bad. I promise I'm not balding. Like there's hair there. There's hair, even though it doesn't look like it. That's how light my roots are. And I'm not like blonde or anything, I'm just very light brown. Ow, shoot. God, I hate when I do that. Ouch! Jeez, I'm so dumb. Okay. Chandler wanted me to cut off more when he saw my hair. I like cutting wet hair opposed to dry hair, but I know that this like I need to do it dry so that I can get it better, you know. My hair looks so healthy. Wow. Alright, how does that look? Even-ish? Good enough? Oh, heck no. Yes, it is. Sorry if I'm not like getting this in frame. I'm trying to get as much hair as humanly possible into the trash can. As long as there's like no like extremely long or extremely short other pieces, I'm fine with it. Also remember, this is my hair, not yours. So keep your mean comments to yourself. Okay, thanks. Not trying to be rude, but you know, other people don't care about my opinion, and so, you know, just FYI. Like, other people don't care what they say to me, so I've got to be kind of, you know, stand up for myself. Ow, I just nicked myself right there. It hurts. It's getting red. Okay, should I curl my hair or straighten it? Oh, I was gonna do that thing. Should I do it or should I not do it? I don't know. I'm kind of scared. Okay, I need to go grab a ponytail. Is this what you do? I'm honestly not 100% positive. But we're just gonna cut like that much. Like that much. Also guys, remember, this is just hair. It's gonna grow back. You gotta have fun with your hair, you know? Okay. I probably look crazy. Whew, I'm burning up, y'all. So as y'all can see, my hair is frizzy, so I'm going to straighten it real quick and show y'all the end result. Also, I just want y'all to see how much hair is in this bucket. Look at all that hair. Alright, back and looking a little less poofy. Y'all, I swear I lose so much hair from my scalp. It's like not even funny. Like, curly hair people problems. Not that other people don't lose hair. It just feels like I lose a whole lot of hair because I don't brush my hair every day since I have curly hair. Anyway, y'all don't care. So this is what she's looking like, and I really like it. I really didn't think that I was gonna like it. This side is still just a little bit longer, but let's see. If there's like any demarcation line, or like if it's not straight, I'll get my mama to straighten it out. But look at how shiny my hair is right now. Holy cow, it feels so much healthier. And yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Also my bangs, they look really, I don't know if y'all can see, they look really good. I can kind of see like these pieces right here are shorter. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and yeah, that's it. Just cutting my hair. Just want to document it because it's once in a lifetime. No, I'm just kidding. It's like once every year or 6 months that I cut my hair, so I need to dye it so badly. Y'all can see I'm not going bald. It's just really light hair. Okay, see y'all later. Bye.